The 2026 Toyota RAV4 GR Sport is not your average family crossover. It is the boldest and most performance-inspired version of the RAV4 lineup yet, giving enthusiasts a taste of Toyota's motorsport heritage in a practical, plug-in hybrid package. Although it is not a full Gazoo racing model, the GR Sport brings a serious performance punch and unique styling that separates it from the rest of the RAV4 crowd. Under the hood, the GR Sport shares its powertrain with the all-new plug-in hybrid model, which is based on Toyota's 6th-generation hybrid technology. It produces 320 horsepower through a combination of a 4-cylinder gasoline engine and 2 electric motors, powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery. All-wheel drive is standard, allowing the GR Sport to send power to all 4 wheels for added grip and improved handling. That extra power helps the GR Sport sprint to 60 miles per hour in less time than the previous RAV4 Prime, which already clocked in at 5.5 seconds. But the GR Sport is not just about numbers. It brings a more aggressive and athletic attitude to the RAV4's otherwise practical personality. The most obvious design difference is the larger, blacked-out front grille with a GR badge that echoes the style of the GR Corolla. The stance is wider and lower thanks to a redesigned bumper and exclusive 20-inch alloy wheels that fill the arches with purpose. The rear roof spoiler and dual exhaust outlets add even more edge, while unique LED lighting elements give it a distinct signature at night. Inside, the GR Sport keeps things sporty and upscale. The cabin is dressed in suede-like upholstery with synthetic leather accents, red contrast stitching, and GR logos subtly placed throughout. The steering wheel feels thicker and more responsive in your hands, and paddle shifters offer more control when you are in the mood to drive with enthusiasm. The standard 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 10.5-inch touchscreen bring all the driving data and entertainment features front and center, and buyers can upgrade to the available 12.9-inch screen for even more screen real estate. Toyota did not just upgrade the looks and power for this model. The GR Sport gets performance tuning as well, including a sport-tuned suspension that promises sharper handling and less body roll during cornering. The regenerative braking system is optimized for smoother deceleration and better energy recapture. Even with all the performance improvements, the GR Sport does not sacrifice utility. It can still tow up to 3,500 pounds, making it one of the few performance-oriented SUVs that can also haul your weekend toys. Charging the GR Sport is convenient too. It includes an 11-kilowatt onboard charger for quicker home charging, and models with the CCS port are capable of DC fast charging, which is a first for the RAV4 family. This means less time plugged in and more time on the road, enjoying what the GR Sport has to offer. Toyota's new GR Sport trim proves that going green does not mean giving up excitement. It blends efficiency with adrenaline and adds a layer of excitement to the RAV4 nameplate that was never there before. It may not wear the full Gazoo racing badge, but the soul is definitely there. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 Toyota RAV4 GR Sport.